Take a ride in the 2025 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, mud guards, automatic climate control, first aid kit, cargo net, cargo tray, lumbar support, carpeted floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.